Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of TECHNO. So today in today's session, we are just taking two questions from factorization. Okay, where the question is given to us as shown to you. Okay, so here it's given that if A by B is equal to C by D is equal to E by F, right? Then in this case, we need to prove the value of the given polynomial 2a 4b square 3a square e square minus 5e4f divided by 2b, this one is equal to a4 by b4. To prove this, let us do one thing. If a by b is equal to c by d equal to e by f, let us assume this as equal to k. If this is assumed as equal to k, then we can replace a as equal to bk, right? So this will give you a as equal to bk, c is equal to dk, just cross multiplying it, and e is equal to fk, right? So here the LHS which is shown to you, right, can be written as, using this, it can be written as, the LHS can be written as 2a4b square. So it's 2, instead of a power 4, just write the value of bk. Why I am doing it? Because into the denominator you can see b power 6 is there. So if you replace a with b, then b power 6 will be coming over here also, because b power 4 and b power 2, like that, right? So if a is equal to bk, we will be using this. Then we can write 2 times bk power 4, right? Then b square. After that, 3 times a square e square, a square e square. Now if a can be written into the form of b and e can be written into the form of f, then we can write a square as bk. Instead of a, we write bk whole square, right? And instead of e, we will write fk, right? The benefit of this is that we'll be able to, you can see b and f the second term over here, and b and f over second term over here into the denominator, right? Plus the third term, that is minus 5 times e4 power e4 into f. So we can write minus 5 times into the denominator. The last term is consist only of f. So you just replace this e with f. How? Using e equal to fk, right? The above relation. From here we can write e equal to fk. So minus 5 times, instead of e, write fk whole power 4 multiplied with this f divided by this denominator as it is. Just write it as it is, 2b6 plus 3b square f square minus 5 f power 5, right? So this will give our LHS as equal to 2 times b power 4 k power 4 and b square, this term, right? Plus 3 times b square k square f square k square for the second term of numerator. This can be written, right? And for the last term, it's minus 5 times f power 4 k power 4 into f. This can be written like this, right? And into the denominator, the numbers will be as it is. So I'm not repeating it again. Into the next step, when the same bases are there, the power must be added. So b4 and b square will be added. So we will have 2 times, just write k first, k power 4 and b power 6. So the first term of the numerator minimizes like this. Again, plus 3 times k power 2, k power 2. So we can write k power 4. You can see k4 is coming, which can be taken as common going forward. And b square f square, right? Minus 5 times. Just write k power 4. Again here we have same base as f. If nothing is here, its power is 1. So 4 plus 1 will be added when the bases are same. Exponent will add. So this will give you f power 5. And into the denominator, now this time we will write the denominator. Denominator is 2b6 plus 3b square f square. So I'm just repeating, 2b6 plus 3b square f square, 3b square f square, then minus 5 f power 5, right? So you can see, if k4 is taken as common from here, if k4 is taken as common, k4 in all the 3 terms of the numerator, then we have, if this is taken as common and taken outside from the numerator and kept in a product, then we are left with 2b6, 3b square f square, and into the denominator you can see 2b6, 3b square f square, and then minus 5f5, and here also minus 5f5, right? So here we can say that if k power 4 is taken as a common, if k power 4 is taken as a common, right? So we can see we have into the numerator 2b power 6 plus 3b square f square minus 5 f5, right? And into the denominator we have 2b power 6, let me write with it a different color, 2b power 6 plus 3b square f square minus 5f5 minus 5f5. So here you can see this entire term of numerator and denominator are same. So we can just cut it. We can just divide it and all this will be cancelled out. This will be cancelled out, right? And we have left with only k power 4. This is left, k power 4. But we need to prove that this is equal to a4 by b4, right? So what we will do, since a can be written as, from here a can be written as b times k, right? So we'll take the RHS. Into the RHS we have a4 by b4, right? So a4 can be written from above as b times k, or k times b. So right, so here k times b will be replaced for a, and power is 4 divided by b4, right? So here you can see this will give you k power 4 into b power 4 divided by b power 4. Here also the b4 and b4 will be cancelled out, and we are left with what? We are left with k power 4, and that was also into the LHS. So we can say that k power 4 equal to k to the power 4. So in this way we have proved that that the given polynomial 2a4 square plus 3a square, this one is equal to a4 by b4, and in this way we have proved this question, that this is equal to a4 by b4. This entire polynomial, okay, is equal to a4 by b4. This is proved, right? Now coming quickly to the second question of today's session. The second question which is coming in front of us is, if x is equal to 4ab by a plus b, then x plus 2a by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b by x minus 2b is equal to what? Right? Simply put up the values over here, nothing else. In place of x, just write 4ab by a plus b. Then the above equation, let us take the what we need to find out. Here, the given expression is equal to x plus 2a. So instead of x, write 4ab by a plus b. Then again, the second term is 2a divided by, just write here also the same, the value of x, 4ab by a plus b minus 2a. Then a plus sign is there. Then x plus 2b by x minus 2b. So instead of x, write 4ab by a plus b, then plus 2b, this one, divided by 4ab by a plus b minus 2b, right? Now here what we will do, we will take the LCM as a plus b. Then we will have into the next line, our expression will be looking like this: 4ab plus 2a times a plus b, when a plus b is taken as a LCM. Here it was 1, right? So this will be looking like this, divided by, again into the denominator of the first fraction, 4ab by a plus b. Let us extend this fraction. Then minus 2a. Here it was in the denominator of 2a was 1. So 1 will be multiplied with a plus b. So it will be looking like this. So from this step you can see a plus b and a plus b will be cancelled out, right? Now into the second line you can see similarly 4ab, if you take LCM as a plus b, right, then 4ab will be as it is, and then this 2b will be multiplied with this a plus b. So divided by, again 4ab minus 2b into a plus b divided by a plus b. So here also you can see this a plus b and this a plus b will be cancelled out, right? Because denominator will be going to the numerator multiplied with the numerator's numerator. So here it will be cancelled out. So we are left with 4ab plus 2a square plus 2ab. I just expanded this, divided by 4ab minus 2a square minus 2ab, right? And the second term, second fraction will be 4ab plus 2ab plus 2b square. divided by 4ab minus 2ab minus 2b square, right? So here you can see, just see the like terms. 4ab and 2ab are like terms. You can add it. Here also 4ab and minus 2ab, you can subtract it. Here also 4ab, 2ab, 4ab, 2ab, right? So we can see that into the next line, we can write it as 4ab plus 2ab is 6 times ab plus 2a square divided by 4ab minus 2ab is 2 times ab minus 2a square, right? Plus 4ab plus 2ab is 6 over here. So it will be 6ab plus 2a square divided by 4ab minus 2ab is 2ab minus 2b square, right? So here you can see 2a is common in all these two terms of numerator, first fractions numerator. Here you can see 2a is taken as common. Into the denominator also 2a can be taken as common. So we can write it as, when 2a is taken as common, we have 3b left here plus a divided by, here also into the denominator of the first fraction 2a can be taken as common, and we are left with this b only. So this will be b minus a. The benefit of this is 2a can be cancelled out, right? And we have similarly here also 2, here it was 6ab plus 2b square, right? So it is not 2a square, it is 2b square. Okay, this is a typo error. So from here also you can see 2b can be taken as common from the numerator of the second fraction, and here also in the denominator also 2b can be taken as common. So we can write as we did over here into the first fraction. After taking 2b as common, we have 3a plus b divided by, when 2b is taken common from the denominator of the second fraction, we are left with a minus b. Again we will take that benefit, and 2b will be cancelled out, right? And we are left with what? We are left with 3b plus a by b minus a plus 3a plus b by a minus b, right? Here you can see b minus a and b minus a. If minus is taken as common from here, it will be also convert into b minus a, right? Hope you understand the step. So in this way we can write the above expression as 3b plus a by b minus a, and when minus is taken as common into the denominator, we have b minus a. Why we did it? We did it so that b minus a and b minus a can be taken as a LCM, right? Now this minus will divide this plus, and this plus will become minus, right? So it will be looking like this: 3b plus a by b minus a minus 3a plus b by b minus a. This minus divided this plus, and this plus becomes minus, right? Now here you can see b minus a can be taken as an LCM. Okay, when b minus a is taken as an LCM, we have 3b plus a this one as it is, because b minus a is already present into the denominator, and minus times 3a plus b, this one. So this will give you this will be equal to 3b plus a minus 3a minus b divided by b minus a, isn't it? Here from the like terms you can see 3b minus b is equal to nothing but it's equal to 2b. 3b minus b, I'm just taking these like terms 3b and minus b. This is 2b, and then a minus 3a. This is minus 2a, and into the denominator we have already b minus a, right? So when 2 is taken as common from here, right, when 2 is taken as common from here, into the bracket we have b minus a, right, divided by b minus a. So here you can see this b minus a and this b minus a will be cancelled out, and we have our answer with us 2, right? So the value of the given question, it was given that if x equal to 4ab by a plus b, then x plus 2a by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b by x minus 2b is equal to what? Oh, we have already solved it. It's not equal to what? Now what will be cancelled out and we have our value with us. This is equal to 2. And this is our answer, students. So in this way we have solved both the questions of factorization today into the 2 question series. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Be connected. Happy learning. Bye bye. See you.